Hello everyone, I'm Junel Lumanog, one of the accredited salesperson ng DMCI, and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Kai Garden Residence, one of the ready for occupancy condo dito sa Mandaluyong City. And papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong Kai Garden Residence, mga amenities, itong building and yung turnover. And ano ba yung edge neto ng Kai Garden Residence? Dito pa lang makikita natin lobby, napakaganda, parang resort type talaga yung design ng Kai Garden Residence natin, and napakalaki ng lobby dito sa loob ng Kai Garden. And hindi lang lobby yung malaki, pati yung mga unit, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom, lahat po may balcony, and malalaki yung cut ni DMCI dito. The good things mga ka-DMCI, you don't have any regret kapag kumuha kayo dito ng property sa Kai Garden Residence by DMCI Homes. And hindi lang maganda yung lobby, mga amenities, pati yung unit guys, napakalaki and lahat may balcony guys, no? And mga ka-DMCI, napaka-relax talaga dito, napakaganda ng ambience once na makapunta kayo dito. Ayan guys, meron tayong minibar dito sa loob, sa lobby, and kapag gusto nyo makapag-schedule ng viewing sa akin, you can contact me now below. So makikita natin yung number ko and yung email address para makapag-set na tayo ng schedule for viewing guys, no? And ang maganda pa dito guys, napaka-affordable din po yung price neto ng 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. Kaya mga ka-DMCI, kapag nakapunta tayo dito sa Kai Garden Residence, makikita nyo po na napakaganda and magkakaroon kayo na wow factor effect dito sa DMCI Kai Garden Residence. And eto naman po yung atrium level natin dito sa Kai Garden Residence. Actually, hindi lang may atrium level kundi sa iba't ibang project ng DMCI. And yan yung Lumivent technology natin. Yan yung Sky Patio. Kaya makikita nyo guys, napakaganda ng turnover talaga dito sa DMCI ng Kai Garden. And kapag nandito kayo guys, kahit dito sa Sky Patio natin na may Lumivent technology, hindi kayo mai-stress dito. Para siyang mafe-feel mo talaga na relaxing talaga dito, kahit dito pa lang tayo sa Sky Patio. So kita nyo guys, napakaganda talaga. And yan yung Sky Patio natin. Ayan ang roof deck ng Kai Garden Residence. And ang maganda pa dito guys, ang sarap mag-relax dito once na makapunta kayo dito. And kapag nai-stress kayo, pumunta lang kayo dito guys para mailabas yung stress nyo dito and makapag-meditate. So makapag-isip-isip rin dito. So dito pa lang guys, hindi lang yung Kai Garden Residence na may roof deck. We have also Quezon City na DMCI project. We have Makati, yung Fortis Residence sa pre-selling condo, Pasay City, Las Piñas, and yung Pasig City na Brixton Residence na malapit din sa BGC. So mga ka-DMCI, nandito po tayo sa model unit natin na 2 bedroom with balcony, and ang size ng unit na to is 56 square meter. Ayan. So guys, nandito yung living room, dining area. So ayan guys, yung kitchen area natin. Kapag na-turnover po sa inyo yung unit, naka-granite type na po yung sa kitchen natin, and meron siyang mga cabinet. And meron din tayo ditong partition para sa ref, partition para sa range hood, and dito sa lutuan. Ayan. So napakaganda guys ng turnover talaga dito sa Kai Garden. Hindi lang yung DMCI na Kai Garden, marami pang mga project guys. Kung hindi nyo prefer yung Mandaluyong City, kontakin nyo ako para ma-ready ko yung sample computation and yung mga details na gusto nyong location. Maganda rin dito guys, meron din siyang partition para sa washing machine, and ang laki ng CRD nila, and lahat yan naka-tiles, naka-paint finish yung pag-turnover.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign,